Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing clean metal so filler bonds. Grind the crack into a V-groove and open any ends with a 1/83/16 drill to remove stress risers. Once done, remove paint, grease, and oxides with 80-120 grit and a brass or stainless wire brush. This avoids contaminating the joint. Make sure to degrease thoroughly with acetone and secure the piece in a vise or clamp to prevent distortion while you heat and apply filler. Now you'll control heat and add filler so it wets the cast aluminum. Warm the area evenly to roughly 300-400 degrees Fahrenheit to drive off moisture and reduce porosity. Use a propane torch in sweeping motions. If you choose brazing rod 4043, flux the groove, heat until flux liquefies, and feed the rod so molten filler flows into the V-groove. If you prefer epoxy for an easy non-structural fix, mix and apply right after preheat per product timing so it cures well. Finish by letting the repair cool slowly, then grind or file the filler flush using 120-320 grit. Take care not to generate heat that resoftens the joint. Once shaped, perform a leak or load test appropriate to the part, then prime and paint to prevent corrosion. If the repair shows cracking or poor wetting, stop. Reclean the area, enlarge the groove slightly, improve preheat and flux, and reapply filler. Poor adhesion usually means
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.